Chapter 15 Elements and Principles of Visual Art and Design 20 MCQs from Class 8 Subject Arts Book Kriti. 1. Which is the smallest element in any visual? Answer B. Point. Explanation. The chapter states that a point is a dot and is the smallest element in any visual. 2. A line joins. Answer C. 2 points. Explanation. A line is the visible path that joins any 2 points. 3. Which of the following is a three-dimensional shape? Answer C. Form. Explanation. The chapter explains that a form is three-dimensional and has depth. 4. A flat two-dimensional area enclosed by a line is called. Answer B. Shape. Explanation. A shape is flat and two-dimensional while a form is three-dimensional. 5. Which of these is an example of texture? Answer A. Soft. Explanation. Texture can be felt or seen and may appear soft, rough, grainy, silky or pricky. 6. Color becomes visible when. Answer B. It is reflected by light and seen by our eyes. Explanation. The chapter says color is visible when light is reflected and perceived by our eyes. 7. Adding white to a color makes. Answer C. Tints. Explanation. White makes a color lighter and lighter versions are called tints. 8. Adding black to a color makes. Answer B. Shades. Explanation. Black makes a color darker and darker versions are called shades. 9. Space in an artwork can be divided into. Answer B. Positive and negative. Explanation. The chapter clearly says space can be divided into positive and negative space. 10. Shadanga refers to. Answer B. 6 limbs of art. Explanation. Shadanga means the 6 limbs of art in the ancient Indian tradition. 11. Shadanga has been codified in the. Answer C. Vishnu Dharmottara Purana. Explanation. The chapter mentions that Shadanga is codified in the Vishnu Dharmottara Purana. 12. Which Shadanga limb means difference between forms? Answer B. Rupa Bhedaha. Explanation. Rupa Bhedaha means difference between forms. 13. Which Shadanga limb means expression and emotion? Answer A. Bhava. Explanation. Bhava refers to expression and emotion in art. 14. Which principle gives visual stability to an artwork? Answer B. Balance. Explanation. Balance gives visual stability in an artwork. 15. Rhythm and movement are created through. Answer B. Pattern and repetition. Explanation. The chapter says rhythm and movement guide our eyes and are created through pattern and repetition. 16. Emphasis is created by. Answer B. Making one visual element stand out. Explanation. Emphasis draws attention by making one part of the network stand out. 17. Proportion is the relationship between. Answer C. The sizes of different visual elements. Explanation. Proportion means the relationship between the sizes of different visual elements. 18. Hierarchy means. Answer C. Order of importance in a visual. Explanation. Hierarchy tells us what to look at first, next and later in an artwork. 19. A journal of visual elements may include drawings of. Answer C. Objects, plants, textiles and architectural details. Explanation. The chapter asks students to make a sketchbook journal using objects, plants, textiles and architectural details from their surroundings. 20. To create a symbol or motif, the chapter suggests using. Answer C. Points, lines and shapes. Explanation. The activity asks students to create a symbol or motif using points, lines and shapes.